equation we are told that g1 plus g2 plus dot 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 plus gn is equal to n square into g of n for all natural numbers. We are told that g1 is equal to 4800. We are asked to calculate the value of g of 5. Let us go step by step. We know the value of g of 1. So let us first try to calculate the value of g of 2. G of 1 is equal to 4800. G of 1 plus g of 2 from this given equation, where we are substituting the value of n to be equal to 2, is equal to 2 square, that is 4 into g of 2. Or the value of 3 into g of 2 will be equal to g of 1. So the value of g of 2 will be simply equal to g of 1 divided by 3, which is 1600. Now let us substitute the value of n to be equal to 3. So g1 plus g2 plus g3 is equal to 3 square, that is 9 into g of 3. Or g1 plus g2 is equal to 8 into g of 3. But what is the value of g1 plus g2? We know from the earlier equation that g1 plus g2 is simply equal to 4 times g of 2. So 4 times g of 2 is equal to 8 times g of 3, or the value of g of 3 is just nothing but g of 2 divided by 2, which is 800. Now let us substitute the value of n to be equal to 4 and try to calculate the value of g of 4. So g of 1 plus g of 2 plus g of 3 plus g of 4 is equal to 4 square, that is 16 times g of 4. So the value of g1 plus g2 plus g3 is equal to 15 times g of 4. But what is the value of g1 plus g2 plus g3? This is equal to 9 times g3. So 9 times g3 is equal to 15 times g4, or the value of g4 is equal to 9 by 15, that is 3 by 5 times g of 3. So g of 4 will therefore be equal to 480. Now we need to just calculate the value of g of 5. G of 1 plus g of 2 plus dot 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 plus g of 5 is equal to 5 square, that is 25 times g of 5. Using the same logic as g1 plus g2 plus g3 plus g4 is equal to 16 times g4, 16 times g4 will be equal to 25 minus 1, that is 24 times g of 5. Or g of 5 is equal to 16 by 24, that is 2 by 3 times g of 4. G of 4 is 480, therefore g of 5 will be equal to 2 by 3 into 480, which is 320. So the correct answer is option B.